Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the headphone safety feature on the iPhone. Find in the settings, you want to go to the settings, obviously, and then go to the sounds and haptics. And once you swipe down a little bit, you're going to find the thing called Headphone Safety. So let's click on that. And as you can see, I haven't used much headphones for the last half a year. So as you can see, you have these headphone notifications. So it means if you, it measures the level of volume that you listen and the time that you listen music on the headphones. And if you listen music loudly and also, for example, every day, you are going to get those notifications and you are going to hit the 7-day limit recommended. That is set by the WHO, so World Health Organization, and you're just going to get those notifications and the volume is going to be turned down. So yeah, this is a safety feature that every iPhone has, and there is no way that you can turn off those notifications because it is just low. So also there's an option about reduce loud audio. So if you turn this feature on, as you can see, you can choose how many decibels you would like to have in your headphones. So as you can see, 100 decibels, it is really loud. As you can see, as loud as an ambulance siren, to give you the perspective how loud it is. You can turn this feature on or off, and what it does, if you have like a headphones that iPhone can analyze, as you can see, you can do this through the settings from the health. Even if you go up with the volume, this is going to be reduced after analyzing your headphones. Even if you turn the volume up to maximum wearing headphones, it is not going to be played as loud as not louder than, for example, 85 decibels if you set it to this amount. So this is a feature that helps you keep your hearing in a good condition. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.